Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to share with you the best carry-on suitcases of 2024. We'll take a detailed look at the suitcases with the best features to make your travels more enjoyable and comfortable. We'll get to know each model by its features and help you determine which one suits you best. Let's get started. First, we start with the Samsonite Winfield 3DLX. This is one of Samsonite's most popular suitcase series, and it's easy to see why. First of all, this suitcase is made of polycarbonate material, which makes it extremely lightweight and highly impact resistant. The polycarbonate material retains its shape and resists scratches even after prolonged use. The suitcase's 360-degree spinner wheels allow you to move freely in any direction. This means you can easily change direction even in busy airports or narrow passageways. In addition, the telescopic handle is ergonomically designed, making transportation extremely comfortable. With the length adjustment, you can use it in the position that suits you best. The interior organization is also very good. The expandable compartments allow you to place your belongings in an organized way. You can also organize your small items thanks to the interior organizers with several different pockets. The TSA-approved locking system increases the security of your suitcase and allows you to pass through the security check quickly. Samsonite Winfield 3DLX is the perfect travel companion with its elegance and functionality. Our next model is the Tumi Alpha 3. This suitcase is one of Tumi's products that combines the best material and design features. Its ballistic nylon fabric is extremely durable and long-lasting. This material is both waterproof and impact-resistant, minimizing the risk of damage during your travels. The Tumi Alpha 3 moves smoothly on any surface thanks to its 4 swivel wheels. These wheels are capable of rotating in any direction, making it easy even for difficult changes of direction. The telescopic handle is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy and convenient to carry the suitcase. Inside, expandable spaces and removable bags allow you to store your belongings in an organized way. The removable bags allow you to carry additional items in an organized way and make your suitcase even more organized. Furthermore, thanks to the integrated USB port, you can charge your electronic devices while traveling. This modern technology feature is a great advantage, especially for frequent travelers. Now let's take a look at the Rimowa Essential Cabin S. Rimowa is known for its high-quality materials and innovative design, and the Essential Cabin S deserves this reputation. The polycarbonate material makes this suitcase both lightweight and extremely durable. The sturdy construction of the material withstands any impact and remains in perfect condition, even with prolonged use. Thanks to its 360-degree spinner wheels, you can use this suitcase comfortably on any kind of surface. These wheels offer smooth mobility and provide great convenience in crowded environments such as busy airports. In addition, the telescopic handle of the Rimowa Essential Cabin S is adjustable in length, offering a convenient carrying position for users of all heights. Inside, a spacious main compartment and various pockets allow you to store your belongings in an organized manner. In terms of security, the strong zipper system and integrated locking mechanism securely protect your suitcase. With its sleek and modern design, the Rimowa Essential Cabin S adds a touch of elegance to your travels and offers you a comfortable travel experience. Finally is the Travel Pro Platinum Elite. This suitcase is known for its durable ballistic nylon fabric, making it an ideal choice for long-term use. The ballistic nylon is both waterproof and impact-resistant, ensuring the safety of your suitcase in all weather conditions. Thanks to its 4 swivel wheels, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite moves freely in all directions. These wheels allow you to move smoothly on any surface and make transportation much easier. The telescopic handle offers a comfortable transportation experience with its ergonomic design. With its adjustable length, it provides a position suitable for everyone. In terms of internal organization, it is very useful with its expandable compartments and removable bags. Removable bags allow you to store additional items in an organized manner. In addition, the TSA-approved locking system ensures your safety and allows you to pass through the security check quickly. Travel Pro Platinum Elite is the perfect travel companion with its high performance and aesthetic design. Here are the best carry-on suitcases of 2024. Each of them has features that will provide you with great comfort and safety on your travels. Hopefully this video will help you find the best suitcase for your needs. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video and happy traveling.